What's up, guys? This is just a review of the new iPad Air. It's quite good. You get to do FaceTime. I'll show you. Click FaceTime. It comes up with the camera, and you click on someone's name, and you click that one there. FaceTime them. It's pretty good. Face to face. I talk to my robot on it. Get a calendar on it. You get photos on it. You get a camera, take photos, snap away. Contacts, clock, maps, videos, to download iTunes, notes, reminders, Google, GameSpan, Newsstand, iTunes, so you can download music, App Store to download stuff, settings, that's where you have stuff, messages, email, internet, download music on iTunes, Facebook, that's quite good. Facebook's quite good. Facebook's quite good. Get to share friends and that. Skype. Get to do video call people. Video call my pal Graham, my uncle Drew, and other people. YouTube. Get to watch videos. Audio, video chatting. Twitter. Get to chats like this. And games. Game, there'll be Snooker on it, FIFA, F1, F1 2, Darts tonight, got your television on it, and you can watch sport on it. This is my new iPad Air I got for Christmas, so like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.